Most lash techs fail within the first year of them starting a lash business. And it's not because they're not talented, it's because they don't know the business side of lashing. Okay, so if you have been struggling to getting clients, making money, or even keeping your retention up as a lash tech, this video is for you guys because it's going to change everything for you as a lash tech. So I've been in the lash industry, y'all, for a while now, and I've seen it all. Like, literally, y'all, I've seen it all. I've seen lash techs give up. I've seen lash techs struggling to book clients. I've saw lash techs undercharging their work, and I've even seen lash techs burning out. So today in this video, I'm going to tell you guys the top reasons why most lashes fail and what you need to be doing to succeed in your lash business. If you are serious about making real money through lashes, stay to the very end, y'all, because I'm going to break down a full game plan on what you need to do so that you can be successful and have a successful lash business as a lash tech, okay? But before we get into it, y'all, I want you guys to leave a comment and let me know what's been the hardest part about building your lash business. So leave it in the comment section below so that we can talk about it. But right now, y'all, we're about to get right into this video. So the number one reason why I feel like a lot of lash techs fail within the first year is because they do not treat their lash business like a business, okay? So I just be feeling like a lot of lashes feel like just because they know how to apply lash extensions that the client's just gonna magically appear. And sometimes, y'all, doing lashes is not enough. You cannot just be out here running your business anyhow and expecting clients to show up. You got to be a great business owner as well if you're going to take lash extensions seriously. So I sometimes see lash techs, sometimes they post their lash work on Instagram and then they disappear within a week. I don't know what it is, but it's no branding, it's no strategy, it's no marketing. Like, how do you guys expect to be able to be a successful lash tech if you're not even being consistent or posting your work on social media? Your target market, your target audience, y'all, is on social media. Okay, so I need y'all to understand, y'all, in order to be successful or in order to be able to run a successful lash business, you got to put yourself out there. Okay, so you got to start treating your lash business like a business, y'all, and you definitely got to set up your booking system. Start getting a professional IG page. Start having a plan for your clients to get in your chair. Like, you need to have a marketing strategy and just a strategy in general, and having a way on how you're going to get these people in your chair. Because if you don't, how do you expect people to take you seriously as a lash tech, y'all? Come on now. The second reason I see a lot of lash techs end up failing within the first year is because the retention. That retention equals losing clients if y'all don't know it. So you can have the best market in the world, but if your retention sucks, your clients is not going to come back to you so you can do their lashes. They already gonna feel like you don't even know what you're doing, and that's how you are. That's the fastest way to lose a client, is having bad retention as a lash tech. Okay, so I had this one particular student, y'all, that I was mentoring, and she was actually like, she was lashing her mom lashes, but for some reason she was using the wrong adhesive and she was not isolating properly and things like that, and her lashes was falling out within that same day. So she had a problem with building her clientele because of her retention. So I need you guys to understand, y'all, you have to make sure when you get your first person in your chair, you got to make sure you do these lashes really good. And I mean really good, like to the point where they're going to be hooked on getting their lashes done from you. Okay, so when you get your client in that chair, your main focus should be building your clientele up and doing their lashes really good so that they can keep coming back. So when you do your client's lashes, you have to make sure that you isolate them properly. You got to make sure that the glue that you're using, y'all, that glue has to be A1. If you get any glue from Amazon and Shein, that is not no good lash glue. You are already starting off on the wrong foot, and that's the fastest way to lose your clients is by having some bad glue. Because if they lashes fall off within that same day, they gonna let you guys know. They gonna let y'all know for real. Like, my lashes didn't last, Like, you don't want to have to go through that as a lash tech. So I want you guys to understand that your glue, the environment, and how you properly apply the lash extension, it matters. Okay, if you are struggling with that, or you do need mentorship or anything like that with that part, make sure you guys join MinxLash Academy so that I can help y'all properly with that. But yeah, y'all, just make sure that your glue and your retention, everything, make sure that is A1, because that matters the most. The third thing that I tend to notice that a lot of lash techs do within their first year, and the reason why they fail, is because they don't have no client attraction strategy. So let's be real, y'all. For real, like, I want to be real with y'all. If nobody knows you exist, how do you expect people to book with you guys? Okay, so if you ain't putting yourself out there on social media, if you're not posting on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, like if you don't have a platform or where you're posting your lash work, how do you expect to get clients? Okay, so right now, y'all, this is a time where everything is online, everything is digital. Your target audience is online. So if you expect to build your clientele up, you need to be posting your work. You need to be showing yourself. You need to be showing that you are that lash tech that's doing that thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, you have to put yourself out there so people know who you are, so they can trust you, like your work, and support your business. So I need you guys to understand, y'all, put yourself out there, ladies. You need to have an Instagram. You need to have a TikTok. You need to be going live, posting your work, showing your abilities, and showing that people are actually getting their lashes done by you. Like, you need to show that so people can like actually like relate to you and want to get their lashes done by you, if that makes sense. So make sure y'all start posting yourself, y'all. Do not be afraid. Everything is online, so you gotta put yourself out there, especially if you're gonna take lash extensions seriously and have a lash business. You gotta do that. That's just part of what it is, y'all. You just gotta do it. I don't know why, but you definitely just have to, okay? So the last reason why I kind of tend to see why a lot of lashes fail within the first year is because they're undercharging and they're burning out, okay? So some of y'all are charging $50 for some full set of lashes, y'all, and you are exhausted, okay? So I need y'all to understand, if you are booked and busy, but you are like, if you booked all day and you are charging low prices, you need to be increasing your price. Okay, y'all? You need to charge your worth as a lash tech. You do not want to be behind no chair doing no $30, no $20, no $40, no $50, not even $60 lashes as a lash tech. Okay, y'all? You eventually want to increase your price so that you can charge your worth and actually feel like you're getting your money's worth from being behind that chair. Because, y'all, lashes is very tedious. Okay, it's a very tedious service to do, and you got to sit there and isolate each and every single one of your those lashes. Okay, do not be out here charging on $50, y'all. That's the fastest way to burn out. You got to charge your worth. I don't care if you just starting now. You better charge $60. You better start at somewhere. Start at a reasonable price where you can gradually increase it to over $100, y'all. Because eventually, your main goal as a lash tech, y'all, is to be charging over $100 for some lashes. Because again, once you get to a point where you're getting good at doing lashes, you need to up your prices, y'all. Up them prices so that you can charge your worth, so that you can fill your business. Like, if you charging $50, y'all, that's not a business, that's a hustle. Okay, y'all, I hope you guys know that. That's not a business. That is a hustle. So start charging your worth, y'all, and try not to burn out so fast, y'all, charging those $60, $50, $40 lashes, y'all, because that's the fastest way to burn out. And that's not what you want to do, especially if you're trying to do this seriously. Run your business like a business, y'all, and charge your worth. So I want you guys to raise your prices, okay? Charge your worth and attract clients that is going to respect your time and your prices, y'all. There are people who will pay you guys for your work. So find those clients. You want to get those clients that definitely like your work, like you, and they respect your time and your prices. Like, you want those type of clients, and not no other type of clients who feel like you're charging too much, this, that, and the third. They can go somewhere else. Let them go somewhere else. But you want to get the clients that respect your time, respect your business, and they love your work. Those are the type of clients that you want to have coming to you as a lash tech, so that you can be able to see success in your lash business, y'all. So get those type of clients, not those other people that's going to be complaining, thinking you charging too much and whatnot. This is a business, okay? The moment you decide to become a lash tech, you decide that you are going to be a business owner. So you got to make sure you're running your business like a business, y'all, and don't burn out, okay, y'all, because that can eventually happen to y'all if you are charging low prices, okay? So now I want to discuss the fastest way to succeed as a lash tech, so you guys can know, like, what you need to do to be successful, okay? So the first thing, you guys, is I want you guys to fix your retention and make sure that you're using quality lash adhesive, okay? That's first things first. As a lash tech, y'all, your glue is everything. If that glue is trash, again, y'all, them lashes, it's not going to last. You're going to be trying to figure out what is the issue. Is it me? Is it? No, it's the glue, okay, y'all? So if you order some cheap glue, that's not going to be good for no clients who expecting to get their lashes done and, you know, expecting their lashes to last. That's not going to be good. So you always want to make sure that the glue that you are using is A1. I need you guys to also use a fast drying glue. I don't care if you're a beginner lash tech. I don't care if you just started out doing lashes yesterday. Okay, use a fast drying glue, y'all, like 0.5 seconds, even 1 second drying time. That's what you want to use. Anything like 2, 3, 5, 8, 7 seconds, that's not it, because you don't want to sit there holding somebody's lash extensions in place for just to hold there and sit there and wait for it to dry. You need to be isolating, placing, and moving on to the next lash. That's what I want you guys to do, okay? So make sure you guys, whatever you're doing as a lash tech, y'all, you are making sure that the retention on your clients' lash extensions is lasting by that glue that you're using, okay, y'all? So take note of that. Take note. Second thing, y'all, in order to succeed as a lash tech, y'all, is you got to utilize social media. Social media is free, y'all, so I don't care what it is. You're gonna have to get out your way. Y'all better utilize that social media, y'all, because that's the fastest way to get clients to book with you guys. Your people are on social media. Your people are on Instagram. Your people are on TikTok, okay? So you got to put yourself out there, y'all. That is the fastest way to build your clients up. Whether you're looking for models, you're going to be looking for models on social media. So again, you need to make sure you're having an Instagram and a TikTok page for your business so that people can support you and you have an online social presence so people know that you are a real business and not, this is not no hobby. This is a real business that we're doing, y'all. So I need y'all to put yourself out there and do not be afraid of what people say or think, y'all. Because again, once that your business get up and booming and things like that, those people who was not supporting you back then, they're going to try to support you in the beginning, in the end, and it's going to be too late. But I need y'all to understand, y'all, just focus on your business. Get on social media. It is free marketing, okay, y'all? Get on social media for your lash business. That's the fastest way to be successful as a lash tech, for real. One of the last reasons, y'all, to be successful lash tech, y'all, is you got to raise your prices, and you cannot be scared to do so. All right, y'all, you are running a business, so you cannot be afraid of increasing your prices, y'all. You are a business owner. You got to charge your work. So do not be afraid, y'all. And if you have clients who definitely complain about your prices, those are not your clients. Those are not the people that you want to support your business and things like that, because at the end of the day, the ones that want to pay and will pay, they will support you. They will pay whatever price there is that you're charging to get the lashes done by you. Those are the clients that you want to keep, y'all, and not the ones that's going to be complaining. You just don't want those type of people, especially in your business, y'all, because again, we are running a lash business. Another thing too, ladies, I want y'all to do a whole mindset shift thing. I want you guys to understand, y'all, if you charge more for your lash sets, you're going to have more serious people wanting to book with you. So if you charge less, you're going to have those people that's going to be complaining about your prices when you do decide to raise them. So if you charge a little bit more and you charge your word, those are the people that you really want to have supporting your business and not the other people. Now that you know the real reason why most lash sets fail within the first year, the real question is, what are you going to do differently? Okay, y'all, I need you guys to get to work, put the work in, y'all, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. This is a whole business that you are going to be doing. This is something new. You are a business owner. So the moment you decide to become a lash tech, you got to run yourself as a business owner and as a business, not as a hobby, but as a business. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure y'all hit that like button. It helps because I want this video to reach more lash techs, okay? Also, don't forget to subscribe, y'all. I'm going to be dropping more gems like this every single week, and I do not want y'all to miss out. If you're serious about starting a lash business and you need mentorship, I help lash techs start, build, and grow the lash business. So if you're looking for help, the description box below, y'all, I will link the link to the academy below. Now go out there and start making real money with your lash business. I'll catch y'all out in the next video. Bye, y'all.